Hello guys, welcome to our channel Tricks and Coding. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to solve this ratio problem. Let's get started. So, there are two people called A and B. Both choose a number and the ratio is 6 is to 11. So, the number ratio is 6 is to 11 and it says A is to B. Okay, so don't get confused. If I said B is to A, you might sometimes be confused and just write A is 6, B is 11. So be careful. A is 12.5 more than B's number. What are their numbers? This is the question. So I would give you the option to pause this video. Now let's get started for the solution. Okay. Let me take my pen. Let's write. So we know that A is to B is 6 is to 11. Okay. As we know in the 6 is to 11 piece of information and A is to B. Now, what I going to do here, most of the time, you will say, well, we do 6 plus 11, 17 and we carry on. But here, it's not 6 plus 11 or something. There's many problems like plus, you have to plus this A and the B, the 6 and the 11 here. You have to add them, but here we have to subtract them. Because we're selling like a than and like these things, more than, less than, we're going to like subtract. Not we are not telling it's more than, and we're not telling the addition of all of them. Yeah, so it's fine. Okay, 12.5. Okay, what we do is 12.5, we divide it by 5. Okay, so we tell how many times we have to times by 6 and the b. So in my mind, I can tell it's 2.5 because 125 divided by 5 is 25. But it's not 25 because I times it by 10 at the first place, then I have to back divide it by 10. So it's 2.5. So that tells us that you have to times by 2.5, not 25. Okay, so let me just delete this. And now, yeah, we got some space. So I'll just choose a color. So times it by 2.5 gives us 15, times it by 2.5 and is the ratio. Well, actually I don't need the ratio, it's fine. I'm just going to write, you don't need the ratio, just leave it. But I get 27.5 and the difference is actually 2.5, which is cool. And what did I get? Now this is the thing. We got A is 15 and B is 27.5. Yeah, finished. Yeah. But here's where I have to really tell you that's a trick. What did it say? What's the trick? I can see this correct because their difference is 12.5 and the ratio is 6 is to 11, which is good, right? But as I said, that's a trick. Here, let me like this pen size to be a bit smaller because some like things a bit bigger. So A is 12.5 more than B's number. That means A is bigger. But actually, look at this. A is 15 and B is 27.5. Then who is bigger? It's of course B. So, what do we do? That means, how do we even work it out if this is not the method? That's where this helps us, the negative numbers. If I just add a minus 15 and a minus 27.5, it doesn't change the ratio, it's still 6 is to 11 because I just added the minus in both of them, okay? In both of them. So it's fine. Yeah, but now you can see that now A is 12.5 more than B's number. Now see, when the negative, it reverses. So now A is bigger than B. So hope you enjoyed this video and thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye.